In the programming world, there are two types of language. One is statically typed, and the other is dynamically typed. And there are few examples. Python and JavaScript are dynamically typed. So what are the difference is, if you are using C++ or Java, you will see that when you declare a variable, there is a need to declare the type. For example, this is string or integer. But in Python or JavaScript, we do not need to do this. For example, if we just want to declare the user is Peter, and this is a string, then we can just press Shift Enter, and then now if you try to execute this line, and you can see users stored Peter, and we can check the type of the variable by using type, and then open the bracket and users, and then close the bracket, and now you can see the type is string. And now we can also declare the variable user is equal to the user ID, for example, is 12345, and then we press Shift Enter to execute. And now you can see the user is 12345. And now if you check the type of the variable, and this is the integer, and this will not happen in the language like Java or C++. There are advantage and also disadvantage. And if you are doing like Python or JavaScript, you may feel this is more convenient, and this is much quicker because you do not need to decide the type of the variable. But compare with this language like Java, they can check whether there are bugs at a very early stage. So for example, if you put this is a string, and then you put the number inside the user, it will already has error. So there are advantage and also disadvantage by using the different types of variable. And now you can, by the way, you cannot use the built-in keyword as variable. For example, we cannot use int is equal to 5 because int is the built-in keyword. So you can see there is error. And the other characteristic is we are assigned by using itself. For example, a is equal to 5, and then we can see a is equal to 5, and we can also declare a is equal to a plus a. So a is 5, and then the other a is also 5. So you can imagine this is 10. And if there is a for loop that you will learn later, you can execute this again, and you can also expect this is 20 because this is 10 plus 10. And then if you click this and click this again, you can see this is 20 plus 20, and this is 40. And usually we will name the variable in a meaningful way. For example, if we have the price is 200, we will make the name price, and then we have a discount is equal to 0.9. So the new price is the price times discount, which is 0.9. We should execute this to 9, and then we can get the new price is 200 times 0.9, and which is 180. So this is a very brief introductions of variables.